Long the choice for buyers seeking solid, ineffable deportment and a distinguished presence, the Mercedes-Benz S-class has become synonymous with power and wealth. Its six-figure starting price certainly plays a part, but it wouldn't have stayed on top for so long without the class-leading ride and comfort, upscale furnishings, and smooth and muscular powertrains that define it. The latter comes in the form of either a 429-horsepower turbocharged straight-six, a 496 HP twin-turbo V8, or a plug-in hybrid that pairs the Turbo 6 with an electric motor. The ride and handling benefit from a standard air spring suspension, and heated and ventilated massaging front seats coddle the occupants. Well equipped as standard, there's also a long list of optional hides, woods, and colors to personalize the S-Class to your taste. If there is an area of contention, it's the sheer number of screens and their almost overwhelming amount of controls and features. Still, while many rivals including the Audi A8, BMW 7 Series, and Genesis G90 have made inroads onto the Big Benz's turf, for now at least, it remains the king of full-size luxury sedans. The price of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class starts at $118.900 and goes up to $129.750 depending on the trim and options. Once you pass the $100,000 point, economizing seems pointless. We suggest going for the S580 as it nets the big turbo V8, not to mention Nappa leather upholstery. Sure, the S500 has leather, but not Nappa leather, and a heated steering wheel as standard kit. Live a little. Inside, the S-Class prioritizes screens. Lots of them. The sedan is available with up to 5, including a giant center touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The latter works in concert with other technology to create a three-dimensional effect, but, thankfully, it can be turned off if you'd prefer the screens to have a conventional appearance. There's also an enhanced head-up display that will show navigation directions in augmented reality. Arrows move and turn in real time to supposedly better assist the driver. The build quality and cabin materials live up to Mercedes' upscale standards, and the sedan provides limousine-like accommodations for all passengers, specifically those riding in the back. The new model's rear seat area offers slightly increased headroom and legroom, and it can also be equipped with power-adjustable reclining seats that have massage functions and extensive heating elements. Along with being physically coddled, those in the back should be mentally entertained by the optional rear seat entertainment system that adds two 11.6-inch screens on the front seatbacks as well as the interactive LED interior lighting. A cutting-edge infotainment system has become a hallmark of modern luxury cars, and Mercedes makes good on that with its latest and greatest interface. The sedan's center stack is dominated by a huge 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen that sits portrait style, but it doesn't come with any sort of touchpad or rotary controller.